Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. So if you choose from here, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Number 1 on our list is XPPen Artist 24 Graphics Tablet. XPPen Artist Display 24 Pro is the very first 23.8-inch, 2K QHD graphics display. With double the resolution of full HD displays and unprecedented vibrancy, the Artist 24 Pro offers a creative experience that exceeds all limits. Artist 24 Pro Drawing Tablet also supports a USB-C to USB-C connection, letting you directly connect your iMac, MacBook Pro and other Windows computers that support USB-C input to the Artist 24 Pro without using a USB-C to HDMI and USB adapter. XPPen Artist Display 24 Pro is the very first 23.8-inch, 2K QHD graphics display. With double the resolution of full HD displays and unprecedented vibrancy, the product offers a creative experience that exceeds all limits. You can seamlessly enhance and refine your work on programs such as Photoshop, Corel Draw, 3D Max and CAD. XPPen Artist Display 24 Pro support 90% Adobe RGB color gamut. Fuel your creativity with brilliant color and blazing graphics as you draw, design and create on this strikingly large, immersive display. The XPPen Artist 24 Pro features 2 easy-to-control red dial wheels and 20 customizable shortcut keys. These are placed on both sides of the product, making them easily accessible for both left and right-handed users. It also equipped with a USB hub that can be used to connect devices such as your mouse. Number 2 in this best tablet for drawing with pen list is Wacom Cintiq 16 Drawing Tablet. Wacom Cintiq's seamless interaction between pen and display will feel natural and take your skills to the next level. The Wacom Pro Pen 2 offers amazing precision and control, reacting to the tilt of your hand and accurately responding to each movement. Wacom Cintiq 16 and 22 offer a premium drawing experience and a more affordable display. Wacom Cintiq combines pen and display for a seamless experience that feels totally natural. Wacom Pro Pen 2 features 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a low activation force, so it recognizes even the lightest pen strokes. It offers amazing precision and control, reacting to the tilt of your hand and accurately responding to each movement, immediately. EMR technology allows Wacom Pro Pen 2 to draw the power it needs from your Wacom Cintiq so it doesn't need a battery. Wacom Pro Pen 2 looks and feels like a regular pen, so you don't need to learn any new techniques before you start to bring your ideas to life digitally. The balance of weight, rubber grip and position of the 2 side buttons combine to make it sit comfortably in your hand. Plus, those buttons are programmable, giving you immediate control and making your favorite software shortcuts easy to access. For details, let's watch more. Our third pick is Huion Canvas 13 Graphics Drawing Tablet. Canvas 13 is a more affordable graphic display with full laminated screen. The seamless combination of screen and glass will bring you the most natural drawing experience with precise cursor positioning and the lowest parallax. The scratch-resistant anti-glare film prevents any unwanted distracting reflection. The 13.3-inch 1920 by 1080 HD monitor with 120% sRGB gamut, 16.7 million colors and 178-degree viewing angle presents you vibrant color in every detail of your creation. Benefit from the Huion Pen Tech 3.0, PW517 is optimized with capacitive pressure sensor, making it ultra-responsive to every pen movement without any lag. Additionally, shortened pen nibs and better nib firmness make the pen tip barely bounce back to improve accuracy and reduce offset. Along with 8,192 pressure levels, 60 degrees of tilt function and 266 pps of report rate, PW517 delivers the most accurate and advanced pen performance and realistic pen on paper feel. Canvas 13 comes with 2 Type-C ports. The upper port is for a 3-in-1 Type-C to HDMI connection, while the lower port is for a full-featured Type-C to Type-C single cable connection. It can be powered directly by a laptop that runs on 5 volts or above via the USB cable, while no extra power supply is needed. No need to connect with AC power adapter anymore. For details, let's watch more. Fourth pick in our best tablet for drawing with pen list is VK30 V2 Drawing Tablet. VK30 Digital Art Tablet is designed for drawing, design, online education, e-signature, as well as photo/video editing. It is compatible with Windows, Mac, Android and Linux OS. You can start your artwork with A30 and most software like Adobe Photoshop, Sci, Adobe Illustrator, Corel Painter, Clip Studio, Sketchbook, Medibang, ZBrush, Krita, GIMP etc. VK30 Graphic Tablet is designed with unique touchpad. It has 4 touch keys and 1 gesture pad. If you are younger or those who prefer modern design, VK30 Drawing Pad is the right one, which will provide you with a perfect difference touch experience, as well as stable performance. A30 Pen Tablet has 10 by 6 ultra large drawing area, which provides more space for art create. A30 Design Tablet comes with Type-C port design, which allow to plug in and out with either direction, more convenient and stable. It supports both right and left-hander. A30 Digital Drawing Tablet comes with extra 8 nibs, 1 tablet film and artist glove. You don't need to buy extra accessories, save your time and make drawing convenience. For details, let's watch more. Last in this list is Gaumont M10K 2018 Graphic Drawing Tablet. The pen adopts the most advanced passive technology at present. No need to charge or replace the battery, so it's always ready whenever you want to create art, avoiding trouble of battery leakage and low power. The pen features 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, helps you to draw thicker or thinner lines depending on how hard you push on the pen. It makes lines smoother and more natural, allowing you to capture ideas faster and easier. The touch ring could be programmed for canvas zooming, brush adjusting and page scrolling. The round key designed to shift function among zooming canvas, adjusting brush, and scrolling page. 10 customizable shortcut keys allow more quick access to most commonly used functions. Compatible with Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10, 11 or above, Mac OS 10.12 or above, Android 6.0 or above. Drawing software compatibility, M10K Pro can works well with free programs like GIMP, FireAlpaca, Krita, Medibang, etc. or paid programs like Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Premiere, Adobe After Effects, Sci version 2, Clip Studio Paint, Corel Paint Shop Pro 2020, Corel Paint Shop Pro etc. For details, let's watch more.